Hello, I am Kübra. My subject of the activity is polygons for 7th grade level students. Thanks to the activity, students will be able to recognize rectangular, parallelogram, trapezoid, and rhombus and determine their angle properties. My lesson will be online and I will use Zoom, GeoGebra, Google Document, Padlet, and Google Drive as online materials. The activity will take 90 minutes approximately. I prepared the activity to provide students to recognize the common and different properties of polygons. With the activity, students will engage with polygons by constructing and modeling polygons in GeoGebra activity. Thanks to the group working, they can improve their communication and collaboration skills mathematically, and it will help us to provide students to think creatively in a meaningful environment. Students will make relation with the topic of lines and angles in this grade level to determine the properties of polygons. They will make use of the 5th grade level subject of polygons that includes vocabulary and basic components of polygons and also drawing components of polygons. They will determine the angles and polygons thanks to the subject of angles at 6th grade level. They will get ready for the subject of the triangle at 8th grade level. My task consists of 2 parts, and the first part is characteristics of polygons activity. I made use of the prepared activity that I gave the link in resources part. This activity will take 30 minutes. There is a worksheet that the teacher will send students as a Google document file to work on it for each group. Here is my student version. The activity will help students to determine properties of each polygon. By discussing, students will put a check mark on boxes according to the relation of properties with polygons, and students will also write their explanations of what to do on the Padlet wall under their group names. And at the end of the group discussion, students will share their results. After finishing the first part, teacher will explain the second part, which is GeoGebra activity. The GeoGebra activity will take 1 hour. I prepared this activity to support students' understanding of properties of polygons. You can access the activity by clicking here, and this is my GeoGebra activity. There are 2 templates in this activity. In the first template, students will try to construct their own rhombus, square, and rectangle. And in the second template, they will try to construct trapezoid, parallelogram, rhombus, square, and rectangle by using the information in the first part of the activity. In each template, there are indicators for edge lengths, lengths of diagonals, measure of lengths, measure of angles, and solution for points, the coordinates of which is the coordinates of the vertex, and the input bar to change coordinates of vertex by entering the number in the input bar. Also, they will be able to animate by clicking on the start and stop button. With animation, students will be able to observe the change of polygons and its properties changing. They will apply the properties of polygons by constructing. Teacher will share a GeoGebra activity worksheet with students to note their polygons properties. Here it is. Students will work on it with group working, and after group work, they will share their work with class and discuss it.